Today we're going to answer the question, how to use a cane on stairs.
Hello, this is Brian from Simple Steps Mobility. Today we're going to talk about how to use a cane on stairs. Simply, it depends on what side the railing is on. If the railing is on your right hand side, naturally use the cane in your left hand. What you're going to want to do when you're using the cane on stairs is to bring the cane up first and go up with your good leg first, or your strongest leg, or the leg that does not have as much pain. Let's just assume that my left leg is my best leg. So I put the cane up first, I hold on to the railing, step up with my left leg, bring my right leg up. Again, I would put the cane up on the stair ahead and step up with my left and proceed all the way up the stairs like that. Naturally, when I turn around, I'm going to switch the cane to the opposite hand. I'm going to go down the stairs with my bad leg first. The cane in my hand will advance first, then my bad leg will follow. Cane down, hand down, bad leg. Cane, hand, bad leg. And so on until I reach the end of the stairs. Again, cane, bad leg down. Now it depends on which leg is injured. If it is my right leg that's injured, then to walk or to go ahead and proceed walking, I would switch hands and then go ahead and walk. Okay? But that's how you use a cane on stairs. Thank you. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how to use canes, walkers, wheelchairs, and other items to get around the house safely. Thank you.